Welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. And today I have come up with a new video, something very different I would like to share with you all. So today here we are going to be making a green tea face wash. This is going to be a gel face wash. So I will just be sharing the making of this with you all. And before we start and begin the making of this, I would also like to thank everyone who have joined my workshop. It's been a big encouragement for me, and I would like to thank everyone for that, and also for the ones who are coming for the first time, who are watching my video for the first time. I would like you all to know that I have my workshops where I teach cold process soap making, shampoos, lotions, creams. Anyone interested in learning any of the making of the beauty products can WhatsApp on the number that's given in the description box. So we'll begin with our face wash. So for that I'm taking a combination of 3 surfactants. Here I have my SCI powder, I'll be taking cocoa betaine, and I'll be taking decyl glucoside. Now when you're working with SCI, please make sure you're using a respirator because these particles are very fine, they get very airborne, and you might have issues, sneezing issues, if you're not using a proper respirator while using this. So make sure you're taking care of that. So we will first add our SCI powder. And to that I will be adding my cocoa betaine. This will help in dissolving the SCI powder to some extent, but it does take time, for the SCI powder to get dissolved. So we will also be heating this on the double boiler. So we'll just go ahead and give a good mix to the SCI powder. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and add the decyl glucoside here. And we'll just mix this well. You don't need to keep on mixing it very hard. You just need to give it a light stir. So you just need to keep that in mind. Okay, so now here we have mixed all the 3 surfactants very well. I'm not stirring it very hard. It's a very light stir that I have given it. And this is the surfactant phase here. And I have my water phase. For my water phase, I have just taken distilled water and I have added glycerin to this. So we'll go ahead and heat both the phases before we start the combining of it. Okay, so we have heated both the phases, the surfactant phase and the water phase. It looks like this now after heating it, but it will become a clear gel once everything is cooled down. So we will slowly start pouring our water phase into the surfactant phase, and we'll just give it a very slow and mild mix. You don't need to mix it very hard. So we'll just add our water in this and we'll just give it a light mix. All our other cool down ingredients will be added in this once our mixture is completely cooled. We will not be adding them right now, and I'll let you know what all ingredients, cool down ingredients, I'm going to be adding in this. So after mixing this, we will keep it for some time till the mixture completely cools down. Okay, so now the mixture is cooled, and if you all can see, it's become like a transparent mixture here, but the actual final viscosity is not yet come. So since it's already cooled down, we'll go ahead and add our cool down ingredients. So for the cool down ingredients here, I have taken green tea extract, I've taken aloe vera extract, and I have taken a little bit of oat protein, which is very good for the skin. So I will go ahead and add the extracts here. Okay, so after putting in my extracts and protein, I will go ahead and put in my essential oil. So for this green tea face wash, I'm going to be using tea tree essential oil. So I'll just add a few drops of my essential oil and give it a mix. And I will be adding my preservative, which is phenexoethanol. So I've gone ahead and added all the cool down ingredients here, but this is still a little liquidy. We have to wait till we get the final consistency. I will be keeping this for about 2 to 3 hours, and after that I will show you all the actual final consistency, how this turns out to be. Okay, so I had left this for about 2-3 hours to cool down completely. So now I'll show you the consistency, how it has become. So this is the consistency that we have got, a nice thick gel consistency, if you all can all see. Okay, so we haven't added any thickener or anything in this. This is just naturally with the surfactants. And since it's a clear gel liquid, we'll just put a little bit of color. Since this is a green tea face wash, I will just add a little color to this. It's entirely optional. If you don't want to add any color, you can leave it as it is and use it. I will just add a little bit mica color, and we'll just mix this. This will just enhance the look of the gel. Okay, so this is how the gel looks now. It's got a nice light green color tinge. Okay, and the pH has been checked. This has a pH of about 5.5, which is perfectly fine for a face wash. You don't want your pH to go anywhere above 5.5. So this is our face wash that we have here. I'll just fill this up in a bottle now. Okay, so now I'm filling my gel in the bottle here. You all can see how the consistency is right now. It's got a very nice viscosity here. And this is how it looks. I will just do a small demo to show you all the lather of this face wash. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of this gel face wash here, and I'll just show you all the lather of this face wash. So this is the face wash I have taken, a very little quantity, and I'll add a little water to this. And if you all can see the lather here, it's perfect for a face wash. You don't need more lather than this for your face wash. So friends, I hope you liked watching this video of mine, and if anyone is interested in learning these type of gel face washes, creamy face washes, shower gels, y'all can connect to me on the WhatsApp number that's shared in the description box. My next workshop is a shampoo, face wash and shower gel workshop. Anyone interested in joining can WhatsApp on the number given. And thanks for for all your support. Please do keep watching, liking and subscribing my videos so that I keep coming with new and different videos and share it with you all. Thank you so much. Bye.